Grab a glass, grab your favorite bottle. Gotta sip it slow, yeah, that's the motto. Get relaxed, no reason to trip. It's the boy Brocky, man, whiskey and kicks. We pour a glass, toss it up. Air Max 1s on my feet, throw them up. Get relaxed, no reason to trip. It's the boy Brocky, man, whiskey and kicks. Kicking game on drinks and libations. Sipping on it slow, keeping with the patience. Freeze on my feet, you know I stay racing. Drinking straight up, ain't nobody chasing.
All right, it's kind of different. I got the headphones on and shit now. I got the control center right here.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, all the audio's going through here now.
Oh, it's going through there?
Yeah, we don't have the wireless mic. All the mics plugged up into this.
The mics is in there. It's a new setup, new situation.
So, well, we with multiple guests and shit like that.
I get
this can hold up to four mics. You know what I'm saying?
It just sounds clean.
I just didn't expect you to still have the headphones on.
I know. I mean, if I hear the audio, like if the audio gets too loud, then I can adjust the volumes and shit like that.
It's a real setup here, is what I'm saying.
It's real shit.
Yeah.
I need a parks, yo.
Somebody's got to be doing that off camera.
It's not off-putting though, right? It's cool.
No, it's fine. Yeah.
Cool. All right, man. Well, we in, man.
It's good.
Joe's in the building, baby. Right? Joe's in the building. Unboxing. We back. Whiskey and kick style. It's Gucci, homie.
Ain't nothing, man. I'm excited to put to get these joints here today.
You were talking real greasy
because I've been wanting to get them on the street. What I plan to do with them when they touch road. In my Toronto accent. I couldn't do because I like to keep true to the situation.
This is how dedicated we are to the whole unboxing brand. We'll hold on the joints until we bring them on the show before we give them to the public. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So we're doing something a little different today. I mean, I got the headphones on, as y'all can see. And we have a guest here that's gonna show up in a couple seconds. So we're just gonna knock their joints out because that part of the show is not about us, it's about the guests.
Absolutely.
But right now, you got some joints. I have nothing.
You got nothing.
I'm dry out here in these streets.
Well, let's go and get to it.
Let's get to it.
People say.
Let's get to it.
These, sir, I place here.
Okay. Let's get to it, man.
Whoa. There are a few things on the box that are important.
Let's talk about it.
I will now, whenever I have these on, speak in a French accent. These are the La Ville-LUMIÈRE.
Oh, okay. I see that right there.
Ladies and gentlemen, if you see me in the street and you want to have a conversation, understand that in that time, if I have these on, all of my words will have a French accent to it.
And lower your gaze when you talk to him?
Absolutely.
Is that what you're trying to say?
So as you can see, there are coordinates across the back.
Yeah, I saw
it
that.
has that across the front.
March 26th, that's
Air Max Day,
right?
These came out for Air Max Day. They were only released in Paris.
Okay.
And the La Ville-LUMIÈRE is actually French for City of Lights, which is what you call, is the name for Paris. So I'll let you get started with that, sir.
We talked about these for a brief second.
I will grab these. They also come with this little thing to hang from the sneaker, and I'll explain why.
This is your style right here.
Yeah, but you know what? You know why I would have that? Because, ladies and gentlemen, these were released in Paris only for women.
And we know how you do. You have a reputation.
Badam.
He put the whole game onto that. That's why it says size 12 on the side.
That's why it says size 12.
I see the W right
Absolutely.
there.
Yeah.
So I remember seeing these. Oh yeah, let's get straight to the soles, right? So the soles, damn, this shit is clean, son. You're not gonna see anybody with these.
You will not.
There's not gonna be a lot of people with these, man. Period.
I mean, you may go hunt them down now, but you know where you got them from.
Right. The clear soles, I love to death. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
And it has the, not like English, La Ville-LUMIÈRE. It's La Ville-LUMIÈRE. We the West Side.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah.
Beautiful watches.
Mille.
Yeah. Richard Mille. So yeah, it has the whole name and the 326 on the bottom, and the year and all that good stuff. The check, that clear bottom is just disgusting, son. With the blue on the tip, this is like this is a nice nubuck going all along the bottom here, and let me not skip. I'm skipping, all right? The midsole, bright white joints, and it's like a silver on the inside, right?
Yeah, it's actually silver, not so much gray.
Right, but it seems like it has it almost
Like a
has
shimmer
like
to it.
no, it's more platinum.
I'll go with that.
That's more of a platinum tone because
it's a metallic look.
Yeah, it has like that. You know what I'm saying? It's not so much gray and silver-ish. It has the cream, little tan accents. On the inside, on the air bubble, so that's real mean. That's just a nice touch. The nubuck is beautiful.
Yeah.
I mean, it's just, and this is what we call it's like is that considered iridescent?
Yeah.
It's an iridescent situation. So, when you're walking down the street in these joints, you might get a little red, you might get a little green in there, a little pink. It's doing a lot of things and not a lot at the same time.
So it's supposed to mimic when the Eiffel Tower at night, if you've ever noticed, it'll light up with, it switches the lights. So it'll light up with like yellow lights, and then those lights turn off, and then you get these, it's a series of like whites where it looks like it's just like crackling or popping.
Okay.
And that's what this is, this iridescent is supposed to emulate that.
Right. So they went with the debossed Nike and the check on the back. Oh, it's nice. Yeah. Still with the iridescent thing. There's no contrast there, but with it being debossed, it's just a nice, beautiful touch. That's leather around the neck right here, right? Yeah.
Yeah.
So you got so you got leather on there. They could have went they went a little butter leather, and that's prime leather right there. Iridescent around the eyelets, the classic mesh on the toe box and on the side right here, and then the navy blue on the tongue to match with the lettering.
Yeah.
Lovely. Let me take this out, man. These mics are super hot right now. I'm picking up all types of noise. Oh, so that doesn't come out. All right, cool. Yeah,
but there's a different even the insole is leather, and the same thing that's here on the front, that's also at the bottom. Is embossed in black in the insole.
Yep. Oh yes, it is. Yep. Excuse me. Is that embossed or debossed?
Embossed.
When it's out, that's embossed or is that debossed? I thought deboss is when it's imprinted into then emboss is when it's protruding.
Raised out.
I gotta look that up. But yeah, you're right. That's a great catch. I would have missed that. If you don't run your fingernail across it, you wouldn't even realize that.
Just to put the little stamp.
And that's in black.
Hand.
Yep, that's in black.
Yeah.
Yeah, this shit is nasty, son.
And you got the 326 for the Air Max Day across the top.
Yep. And both sneakers are exactly alike.
Yeah.
And so the navy blue tongue just matching that little piece around, that little strip on it. It's just such a great touch.
Yeah.
This is tough stuff.
Yeah,
that's gonna be a problem, man.
Yeah.
That's gonna be a problem in the streets right there. I remember seeing these online, and I think I sent them to you. You had already seen them,
and I said they were on my radar. They were on my radar. I just had to figure out how to get my palms on them. Pause.
Ooh, where'd you pick them up from?
GOAT.
Okay, nice.
And because they were women's, and not too many people know that they were around. They were sitting there for not even a really high markup. It was
word.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
Yeah.
Yep, because we already know. So the Charms is hard.
Yeah.
You got the Air Max hanging from it, the Nike check, and then the 326 Air Max Day shit. Just that's hard, man.
And that's actually supposed
nice.
to hang from the
From the eyelet on
From
the
the
top.
eyelet, yeah.
Yeah, that might be a bit
doing
much. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, a little dangly, little jiggly, you know what I'm saying?
Not happening.
little
I feel like that
Christmas-
Nike sign would cut your Achilles off.
That might get you. Yeah, that might, but that's still dope though.
Yeah, absolutely.
That's a nice touch. Very nice. Very nice. I was wondering what you was coming over here with, and I'm not disappointed, son. I love these when I saw these online, and I never even realized they were women's.
Yeah.
Yep. So until this moment, they did a great job with these shits, man. But like as we always say, though, Nike, their colorways, their design team, man, they got your shit figured out, son. It's a beautiful situation over there.
Yeah.
So yeah, man, good shit, son.
Yeah,
Very
man.
nice. So let's go ahead and break. As y'all can see, we didn't pour no any whiskey yet, any drinks. My guests come on, we're gonna sip a little whiskey. We're gonna talk some sneakers and see what you know what I'm saying, what it's all about with my man over here. You ready for that?
Yeah, man. Let's get to it.
Proud to keep talking about whiskey and cat.